The best iPhone screen protectors are easy to put on and keep your screen safe from scratches and other screen damages. After testing so many protectors, in this video, we've rounded up our top 5 picks to help keep your phone's screen protected. So let's jump right in. First on our list, we have a protector from Spigen. Putting on a Spigen Glas.tR easy-fit tempered glass screen protector is really easy because of the plastic guide tray. It's made so you can't mess up the alignment. The tempered glass is clear and tough against scratches, just like we hoped. It covers the front cameras and the dynamic island on iPhone Pro models without causing any issues, leaving only the earpiece uncovered. Plus, for about the cost of a movie ticket, you get 2 pieces of glass. So, you can keep a spare or give one to a friend. Next, the amFilm's OneTouch glass screen protector, which is pretty much similar to the Spigen one when it comes to the quality of the glass and how much of the screen it covers. The main difference is that the applicator tool for this protector isn't as straightforward to use, though it's still better than most others out there. Generally, it's best to go with the Spigen screen protector. However, if its price goes up or it's out of stock, the amFilm protector at just $8 is a solid alternative. The strong and budget-friendly JETech privacy screen protector only lets you see the screen straight on, so people nearby can't peek. If you spot bubbles, just lift a corner and put it back down for them to disappear. It's easy to install with the included tool, protecting the screen and camera lens well against scratches. The camera lens protector also works at night, ensuring clear pictures and videos. Plus, it keeps fingerprints away, which responds smoothly to touches. Coming up next, ZAGG's Glass Elite Screen Protector, which is built with strong aluminosilicate glass. It ensures it resists smudges and scratches reliably. It offers ultimate protection for your iPhone screen, being 5 times stronger than regular glass protectors. Using ion exchange technology, it defends against drops, dings, and scratches. Plus, it's highly scratch-resistant due to its precise surface finishing and reinforced edges. The ClearPrint surface treatment disperses oil from your fingertips, which keeps your screen clean and smudge-free while maintaining touch sensitivity. It also fights against odors and degradation, thanks to special properties. Installing it is hassle-free with the Easy Apply installation tray and tabs. It ensures a seamless application without any bubbles. The Supershieldz screen protector comes with rounded edges, making it easier to hold. Crafted with fingerprint-resistant tempered glass, it offers dependable protection. Made from high-quality tempered glass, it ensures maximum scratch protection and leaves no residue when removed. With a 2.5D rounded edge design, it feels comfortable on the fingers and hand. It boasts 9H hardness, 99.99% HD clarity, and preserves the original touch experience. Additionally, it features a hydrophobic and oleophobic coating to reduce sweat and fingerprints. Plus, you get 3 pieces of tempered glass screen protectors included. When it comes to safeguarding your iPhone screen, these top-notch screen protectors offer a range of features to suit your needs. From easy installation and fingerprint resistance to superior scratch protection and comfortable handling, there's something for everyone. Whether you opt for the durability of ZAGG's Glass Elite, the convenience of Supershieldz rounded edges, or the reliability of JETech's privacy screen, rest assured your device will be well protected. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and enjoy peace of mind knowing your iPhone screen is shielded against scratches, smudges, and more. Let us know which one caught your attention. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.